So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for our gold. So first thing first, we need to know the trend, and as you can see, our full main trend on gold is an uptrend move. This is the full main trend. The trend is an uptrend move. Market is literally trending to the upside. This is the full trend, right? Now, when you zoom it in right here and you go to your 4-hour time frame, so market is literally dropping, right? So let's expect market to give us some more drop for the day before it's eventually goes, right? So above all, in the long run, right? If you are looking at it, if you are a swing trader, let's say, and you are looking at what market will be doing for the next 4 to 5 days or the next 1 to 2 weeks, right? Be going in for the buy, right? Going for the long because market will still give us that bullish move. But right now, day traders, let's see markets give us some more drop, then a push up again. So above all, to look something like this, the first push up, pull back, then this would be the push up, and now the pullback playing out. Once the pullback plays out, finish, then another push up. So, like we said before, we will still be anticipating for a bullish move. But make sure this pullback is over. And for you to confirm if this pullback is over, you must see a buy setup. Once the buy setup plays out, then you can go ahead and take the buy. More updates on this gold will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.